Hello, my name is Mike, and this is my introductory video for EDL 852. My current position is a special education teacher through the Three Lakes Educational Co-op placed at West Franklin High School / Middle School, USD 287. I'm currently work with uh, students from 7th grade through 12th grade in the special education department. I handle IEPs for those students, also work directly with kids with reading, science, and math. I am also the head football coach and women's basketball coach. I also run the weight program after school. My educational experience or my leadership experience is I've been a head football coach at three different schools throughout my career. I've also been a director of football operations at a major university. Um, so I've had experience in leading both students and adults towards a common goal with a vision in mind. Why do I want to become an administrator? That just seems to be the next step as I get into education. The older I get, I want to get out of the classroom and make more of an impact on a school and community rather than just my classroom. And I think I have the ability to do that. Um, I also have three young children and a wife my wife also works here at USD 287, and I have an 8th grader, a 5th grader, and a kindergartner. So part of me wanting to be an administrator is just some longevity, being able, again, to have more of an impact rather than just my classroom, but to have an impact on all students that are in our community here. So that is my introductory video. I look forward to working with all of you throughout this class.